The fourth rule says, when two subjects together expressing one idea, then the verb is always in singular. When two subjects, like you'll say, dal and rice is a wholesome meal, or slow and steady wins the race. So, the fourth rule is, rule number 4. Rule number 4 says, when two subjects together, when two subjects, we're talking about two subjects together express, okay? Together, when two subjects together express one idea, then in this case, the verb is singular. Then what happens? The verb is singular. When two subjects together expressing one idea, the verb will be in the singular form. That is rule number 4. And let's see what example we have here. Examples, as I told you, dal and rice. Dal and rice. Same idea. Then the verb is singular form. That is, dal and rice is. You want to say dal and rice are. Dal and rice is a wholesome food. Is a wholesome food. Another example here is slow and steady. Slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Wins the race. The fourth rule says, when two subjects like the dal, rice, slow, steady express one single idea, then the verb will be in the singular form. Okay, that is rule number 4. The rule number 5 says, the rule number 5 says, when two nouns are joined, by as well as, with or together with, the verb agrees with the first noun. When two or more nouns are joined by as well as or with or together, then the verb agrees with the first noun. That's the fifth rule. The fifth rule says, when two nouns are joined, when two nouns are joined, it says, when two nouns are joined by as well as well as, okay, or with, or, as well as, with, or, together with, together, together with. Okay, we have together with, as well as, with, or together. So 3 words. When 2 or more nouns are joined by as well as, with, or together with, what happens? The verb agrees with the first noun. The verb agrees with the first noun. The verb agrees with the first noun. Agrees with the first noun. Okay. So the rule number 5 says, when 2 nouns are joined by as well as, with, or together with, the verb will always agree with the first noun. What's the examples I have here? Look. Examples. 2 examples you have. First says, the dog together with the cat. The dog. The dog together with the cat. Together with the cat. The dog together with the cat. The dog together with the cat was making a plan. The dog together with the cat was making, was. So the dog was, agrees with the first noun. The dog together with the cat was making a plan. The rule number 5 says, when 2 nouns, the dog, the cat, when it is joined by the word together with, then the verb agrees with the first noun. So you have here the dog together with the cat was making a plan. Another example I have here is the children with their mother. The children with their mother, with, using the word with their mother, the children with their mother. Where? Again the verb becomes here. The verb agrees with the first one. The children, many. The first noun. So the verb will be here, takes, the verb agrees with the first noun, children. So, mother, where? The children with their mother, where? Waiting outside the gate. We're waiting. We're waiting outside the gate. Outside the gate. This sentence is very good. Here, the children mean more than one, than their mother. So here, two nouns. One is plural noun, the children, then mother, singular noun. So two nouns are joined with the word using with. The verb takes the first, agrees with the first noun. And because it is children first, the verb agrees with the first noun, children were. Okay? Now I have another example for you, and that is Radha as well as her friends. Radha as well as. We said we can use three, no? As well as, with, together with. So we are using all that. Radha as well as her friends. Okay. Now, here we have again two nouns. The first noun is singular and the second one, friends, plural. It says the verb agrees with the first noun. So it will be Radha as well as her friends is coming. You see the change here? Radha is. Children were. Radha as well as her friend is coming. This is called agreement. Agreement of the verb with the subject. In the fifth rule, it's so very clear. We have three examples here. When we use the nouns together with as well as, we are using two nouns, friends and Radha, and we are joining it with as well as. So we say Radha as well as her friends. Now, here you have two nouns, that is, one is Radha, singular, friends, plural. Then the verb taken will agree with the first noun, Radha being singular, so the verb becomes singular. So, Radha as well as her friend is coming. If you look at here, children, you have to use with, okay. We have two nouns here. The children, one noun, with their mother. Okay, you have plural noun, singular noun, then the verb agrees with the first noun, children. So the children with their mother were waiting outside the gate. And here you have the singular noun, the dog, and then we use together with the cat. The dog, the cat is agreeing with the first noun, the dog. So the dog together with the cat was making a plan. So we have done 5 rules in agreeing with the verb, agreeing with the subject.